Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. Today we're diving into something really cool that could totally change how you create your video thumbnails. Yeah, I'm excited about this. We're talking about the Banana thumbnail app, right? I've heard a bit about it, but I'm curious, why are thumbnails such a big deal? Great question. Thumbnails actually decide a video's fate in just 3 seconds. With YouTube's new algorithm shifting focus towards viewer satisfaction, the right thumbnail can really boost your click through rate. If your thumbnail and title accurately represent your content, you'll get better engagement, especially on smaller channels. Wow, that's fascinating. So it's not just about having a pretty picture, it's about how well it aligns with what viewers are expecting. Exactly. A healthy click through rate, or CTR, typically ranges from about 4 to 10%, with anything above 11 being exceptional. If you can maintain a 6 to 10% rate, you're doing really well. It's all about honest representation and keeping viewers engaged right from the start. That's super helpful to know. Okay, let's talk about how to use the Banana thumbnail app. I heard there's a tutorial for it. Yes, getting started is straightforward. Your first generation should prioritize speed over perfection. You can choose from 5 different generation modes based on what you have in mind. And what makes this app different from other thumbnail creators? The Banana thumbnail app has an AI creative director that processes all your inputs simultaneously. It adjusts elements like cropping, background details, and font styles to fit the theme naturally. For example, if you're making a video about investing, it might emphasize bold text in green and red accents, whereas a challenge video could feature expressive faces in angled layouts to capture that element of surprise. Oh, wow. So it really tailors the thumbnails to fit the specific content. That must save a ton of time. It definitely does. Plus, it's driven by multi-input context, meaning it reads all your inputs together to create thumbnails that align with viewer expectations for that topic. That sounds pretty smart. What about the different themes they offer? Are they customizable? Yes, they have 8 viral thumbnail themes designed around psychological triggers. Themes like Face Focus, which uses faces to drive CTR up by about 38%, and Curiosity Gap, which visually poses a question to entice viewers to click. Those sound like great starting points. So if I have a video where I'm on camera, I'd probably go with Focus? Exactly. Faces naturally draw the eye, making that a solid choice. If your content is faceless, then you'd want to use strong visual elements with exaggerated scale and contrasting colors to grab attention. Got it. And I know a lot of creators repurpose content across different platforms. Does this app help with that too? It sure does. The Banana thumbnail app supports more than 8 formats, like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Rather than just cropping your images, it actually reimagines the layout for each aspect ratio, which is crucial for keeping your story intact across different screen sizes. Wow, that's really impressive. So it ensures that your thumbnails look good everywhere and aren't just cut off awkwardly. Exactly. It keeps focal points and readability in mind, so your content always looks professional no matter where it's viewed. That's fantastic. Now, if someone wants to A/B test their thumbnails for better performance, does the app support that? Yes, it does. You can export multiple variants and run A/B splits right in YouTube Studio. This way, you can track how different designs perform.